Hello everyone. Gifts are a way of expressing your love, care and affection. Gifts are so strong that they can even make a beautiful bond and memories. ऐसे ही बहुत सारे इवेंट्स आते हैं, वेडिंग, दिवाली, हाउस वार्मिंग, बेबी अनाउंसमेंट, बहुत सारे. स्पेशली मैं कहूँ इंडिया में, सो इंडिया इज़ फुल ऑफ फेस्टिवल और हमें एक भी ऐसा मौका नहीं मिलता कि हम किसी को गिफ्ट्स ना दें. चाहे कोई हमारे घर पे आता है या चाहे कोई देता है, वी ऑलवेज लुक फॉर समथिंग स्पेशल एंड वेरी गुड एंड अट्रैक्टिव.
That's so true. That's so true.
Right. So today we are here at Trendy Wraps. Now, मेरे साथ एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है. मैंने सदर घूम लिया, लाजपत नगर घूम लिया, बहुत सारी मार्केट्स. आई एम दिल्ली हाइट, तो मैंने बहुत मार्केट घूमती हूँ. बेबी शावर के लिए यहाँ से गिफ्ट लेना है, वेडिंग के लिए किसी के लिए यहाँ से लेना है, कोई घर पे आता है खाली हाथ नहीं जाता, नहीं हम किसी के घर खाली हाथ जाते हैं. सो गिफ्ट्स लेने में ना बहुत सारी मार्केट घूमनी पड़ती है एंड दैट्स वेरी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग एक्चुअली. सो आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर अ प्लेस जहाँ एक ही रूफ के नीचे मुझे सब कुछ मिल जाए एंड दैट इज़ टू बेस्ट क्वालिटी एंड बेस्ट प्राइस, अनबीटेबल प्राइस के लिए फिर मैं यहाँ पहुँची ट्रेंडी रैप्स पे. So I welcome Anju ji.
Thank you. So nice to be on the show. Thank you.
So Anju ji, सबसे पहले मेरे को ये बताइए when you started this trendy wraps.
I started Trendy Wraps in 2002. So since then I've been doing trousseau packings, wedding gifting, baby showers and like baby announcement gifting, anniversary gifts, birthday gifts, housewarming gifts. We do all occasion ke gifts like engagement hampers, everything from pin to plate. Whether it's a room hamper or you want one piece or you want 500 pieces, we do it all.
Okay.
And even the Diwali gifting, that's one of the wedding gifting and Diwali gifting is our like prime festivals.
Okay, so in case अगर मेरे को कोई एक गिफ्ट चाहिए, मतलब just can I get a one piece or I have to order in a bulk?
See, like our USP is customization.
Okay.
So we do one gift also with the customization, as in I'll put the name of the person whom you are going to gift it to.
Oh wow.
So we do that customized name with the tag. I'll get it printed for you. We do the graphics and all, and then we do your name as well. So like if you want to add, like you're giving to a mommy, so you are a niece. So your niece, so we put in that way. So that puts in your, shows your effort and love for the recipient. So that is how we do. So we don't have any cap on the quantities. You can order one gift or you can order in abundance.
Oh, gifts are very special. तो जैसा मैम ने बताया कि they also make customized gifts, यानी कि अगर मेरे को किसी रिलेटिव को स्पेशली देना है, so I can write their name, या मेरे को किसी बच्चे को कुछ स्पेशल फील कराना है, so I can write their name, I can write some kind of some good line for them.
We can do it in acrylic cutouts. If it's for kids, we can do it in the colored cutouts of their choice, like if they like Peppa Pig or a Barbie or a unicorn, so we can do it in that style also.
And best thing what I am looking at your collection, ma'am, मतलब मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि इन चीज़ों में मैं ड्राई फ्रूट्स भर के उनको डेकोरेट करके लोगों को दिवाली पे भी दे सकती हूँ.
बिल्कुल. See, like if you have to gift something, your thing is just to think that you have to give a gift. That's it. Just think of the gifting, like the person who has to receive it. Think of the love you have towards that person, and just think of the price that you have to have for your gift. And come to us, the rest will guide you. So according to your range, I'll give you many options so that out of them you can choose one, the one you like the most. So it could be a home decor thing, because whatever we'll provide you will not be a one-time use thing. So we tend to give you the gifts which are reusable.
Oh, wow.
So if I suggest you a thing which she'll use, like your recipient, your friend, she'll receive it once and the other day she has to throw it away. Obviously, she'll feel like pain at heart. So if something useful is there, if it's a serving tray, so you're putting the food hamper and like you're putting edibles and chocolates and things of her choice in the tray, and you're gifting her, and from the next day she can take out the things, use them, and the tray she can use for gifting. So which gives a dual purpose.
Wow, ma'am.
So we
I
give the
really
suggestions.
want to see the products in detail. Can you please tell me? Okay, so this one I can see this is for the baby shower announcement.
Baby, not exactly announcement. Somebody has to wish like baby arrival baby boy arrival.
Okay.
So somebody has to go and see that baby boy, and that aunt will be carrying this gift for the baby boy. along with the money envelope.
Oh wow.
So this is for that purpose. But we do the baby showers, we do the baby announcements. So as in if you want to put panjiris, you want to put rasgullas, chocolates, pastries, anything of your choice. So we can do it accordingly. We'll suggest you the jars, the trays and everything. And whatever themes you want, minions, unicorns, whatever.
Wow.
So we do everything in the MDF products also, in the soft also, in the cloth based, everything.
Okay.
So like we can provide you many options with that.
That's nice.
So now this is a multi-purpose thing. It's a white set of white metal bowls, 2 bowls with a tray. It's a platter. So you can serve the bowls, like you can put the dry fruits or something. Somebody comes to your house, you can serve the dry fruits. So you put them in the platter and do that, or you could just place them on the table and put something else in the platter to serve as some like snacks, or maybe some baklava or something to go with the dry fruits.
Wow.
So you could use the platter, and it's a multi-purpose thing. Later on, you could use it for the mouth fresheners also.
Wow.
So they are
this has
openable.
spoon as well.
Yeah, it is a spoon, and the finish will not tarnish. This will stay as it is even after 10 years. So these are all imported pieces. Yeah.
So I can see, मतलब I can see मैम कि ये चीज़ I guess मैं दिवाली पे भी मैं दे सकती हूँ किसी को.
Yes.
मैं किसी के गृह प्रवेश पे जा रही हूँ तभी उन्हें गिफ्ट कर सकती हूँ.
So for that, even we have single containers in which you can just place one bowl if you want to give one, and if you want to go for a set, so we can do that. Even if you want to give for bigger sets, so we can customize that for you.
Wow.
So it's as per your requirements. Similarly, this is again another bowl. It's a bowl, multi-purpose bowl. So you can put it in almonds, dry fruits, mix chocolates, whatever you want to do. It's like that. Yeah. So it's like that, and then we just lift it. There's a space to put the dry fruits or whatever. You can even put sweets. You can even put anything of your choice. If you make any sweets and you want to gift them to your loved ones, something you made at home, and then you can do that also.
So
It's
ये हम
completely
किसी
up to
को
you.
तब भी दे सकते हैं जब हम किसी की wedding पे जा रहे हैं.
Exactly, anytime.
Very
And
nice.
then they can use it as a home decor,
As a home decor.
as well as they can use it for daily serving also, for any purpose. Similarly, we have many options. That's a serving tray. This is a beautiful urli, which we put like water and rose petals. So even then, and otherwise people gift it like with the dry fruits and chocolates and all. So it's a multi-purpose thing, but as a piece of home decor later on. And so this is a German silver plated bowl. It's a raisin based bowl. Beautiful one. So we even use it for the baby girl announcements.
Okay.
Like, yeah, we do it for that also. But as a piece of home decor also, it's really beautiful. Gives a very elegant look. And even for the dry fruits, we put the dry fruits and then gift
So
it
again,
with a touch of flowers, so to enhance the look.
So many occasions are clicking in my mind, ma'am. मैं राखी पे जाती हूँ तो फिर I can give like I can keep dry fruits in that, and I can gift it in Rakhi
we can
also.
make a tray for you where as in you can put this bowl with a raisin stand and that bowl, which is again not tarnishable, and it has a bud which is of jade, so you can do them together like quartz, jade. We have all the stones, so you can do that, and as a platter you can take things, so you can put something like sweets there and dry fruits here or whatever, chocolates, whatever you want. So we can customize according to yourself.
Best candles.
Yeah, the candles, the fragrance candles, the designer ones. And then there's this tea light container and a photo frame where even if you don't want to put the photograph, so you can put a personalized message.
Okay.
You just write a message, put it there in the frame. Later on they can put their picture.
And I can see
you reuse
best
it.
gift on anniversary occasion.
Yeah,
I can
it's a very
say.
versatile gift which you can gift it on any occasion. Like maybe it's an anniversary, maybe it might be a housewarming function or a birthday or anything else.
Wow. So I can say that occasion you name it and you will get it here.
We get it covered. And there are more platters. Then we have idols, German silver coated idols of Ganesha and Hanumanji. And here we have this white metal, the base is brass, and then we have the German silver coating on them. So beautiful intricate carvings with them, and like more pieces are there with intricate carvings.
Platter देख के तो मेरे को idea आया है that we can use this at time of sagan or engagement, like
We can.
इसमें आप कुछ rings के लिए
Yeah, you can use it as a ring platter also. You can put the picture of the couple here, put the ring here in a nice ring, this thing, and then you can put just some badam or something. Maybe sometimes people use gems. People don't want to use to, like, they don't want to have too much of laddus while the tikka ceremony is going on.
Right.
So people tend to put some gems or something, so that just a sweet something you can just do like at the time of tikka. So you can use it as an engagement platter as well. Or even if you are supposed to do something for the roka, like at the time of roka you want to do some jewelry or some makeup for the bride to be. So even then you can just put her makeup here and put her picture here, and like personalized thing happens, and then you can just do the little makeup that we do at the shagan at the time of roka.
और यूजुअली क्या होता है कि ऐसी ट्रेस जो भी हम वेडिंग में यूज करते हैं बाद में वो किसी काम की
हाँ,
नहीं
but
होती है,
then
we
this
can
is a
use it
serving
at
platter.
home.
It's a serving platter. Later on you can use it for serving.
Wow.
Yeah.
So multiple use things. You
Yeah.
have huge, unique and multi-purpose variety.
Thank you so
with
much.
You, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
And मैम वैसे आपको आइडिया कब क्लिक करा that you want to start this line?
See, in India, as you just said, India is a land of festivals. So each and every festival, every month we have a festival coming up. And whenever we go to attend the festivals, we go to people's places for the parties, like if it's Diwali or if it's some other festival. So people will have the festivals, teach function, somebody will have. So then we tend to see so much glamour around and so much gifting around. So that at times we find some things are very good, which we really admire. And at times we think that this could have been a little better. Their gift could have been a little better. So that is when it clicks. So like we could have done, if we would have done these gifts, so we would have suggested them to do this instead of this in the same amount. So that is like how our horses of our mind keep running, and then we think how we could do the best in that price range, what the client wants. So that is how it clicked.
So ma'am, last thing I can say that along with the best examples I can say
Thank
कि
you.
इससे बेस्ट प्राइस मेरे को और कहीं नहीं मिल सकता. एंड एज मैम सेड आप सिर्फ मेरे को प्राइस रेंज का आइडिया दो. योर एस्टिमेट इज दिस एंड वी विल गिव यू द बेस्टेस्ट गिफ्ट.
Yeah.
So in case if there is any occasion at your place, be it birthday. Okay ma'am, so do you also have, these are just gifts.
Yeah.
Do you also have return gifts?
Everything. So we do have return gifts, MDF gifts, like as in organizers, table organizers with the drawers where the children can put in their stationeries.
Okay.
And then in the drawer they put like stapler and rubbers and other things, small knickknacks. So that kind of things. We have the art tables where we have a clip on. Children can put their drawing sheets and it opens, and then they can put their colors and things inside. So it is like they can carry it around. They're going for somewhere, so they can do the coloring in the car also. Like, so we have many options which can be used as return gifts.
Wow.
And even for the girls, we have hairband organizers, and then we have lap tables for the kids. At times, children have the habit of studying on the bed. So when they're sitting on the bed and studying, they need something hard to put beneath their papers. So that is when the need of lap table comes in. It has a cushion at the bottom and a hard surface on the top.
Okay.
With their choicest of the prints, like whatever the kid wants. So we can even customize the name of the kid on that.
Okay.
So even if for return gifts, you tell me like you want it for your son's birthday. So I can write the name of the kids who are going to get those tables.
Okay.
And their kind of prints on that.
Wow.
So like we have a wide range of return gifts.
So be it birthday, be it wedding, be it graha pravesh, be it anniversary, कुछ भी हो, बेबी अनाउंसमेंट, बेबी अराइवल, आपको गिफ्ट्स चाहिए या बल्क में रिटर्न गिफ्ट्स चाहिए, ट्रेंडी रैप इज द वन स्टॉप सॉल्यूशन फॉर एवरीवन, आई विल एडवाइस.